How to know that you have the infection called poverty is every time you see money, the first thing that comes into your mind is spend it. You create something to spend it. You have problems to spend it. You just want to spend money. You just want to buy something. You just want to do that. You want to do that. It's all about expenses. Such an individual has a demonic spirit of poverty. So poor people has spending mentality. That's what makes you poor. A poor person is not poor because he doesn't have money. I once said this: you're not poor because you don't have money. Poverty is not lack of money. Poverty is a mentality. Poverty is ignorance of what money is. You don't know what money is. A poor man is a person that does not know how to multiply money, but he knows how to spend it. Jesus wept. You cannot, in fact, you have no moral right to spend any income without first knowing how to multiply it. So, okay, for instance, you want to spend money that you worked hard for. You know what it means to spend something? It's gone. It's gone. You spent it and it went away. It left your account. It left your control. It went into somebody else's account in exchange of your selfish wants. Because you want to buy a clothes. You want to eat the best food. Or you want to solve the problem of your family or want some issue somewhere. In fact, the more you spend your money, the poorer you become. Even though you are $1 billion rich, remove $1 out of it, it has dropped. If you don't mind the way you spend money, poverty will definitely catch up with you in the future.